Hey, Dow Houston with Dow Houston Exchange Company. What I want to talk today about is the identification rules. Now, the basic identification rules are pretty simple, at least in theory. They're a little bit more difficult when you look at what they are. But there's really two rules. There is the three property rule and the 200% rule. So the first rule is the three property rule, that you can identify three properties regardless of their value. So let's say I sold something for $1 million and I identify three properties worth $10 million, for instance. I know that's a kind of an odd comparison, but it'll serve a purpose. So I can I identify three properties regardless of their value. So 10 million, 100 million, whatever. Okay. Now, once I go over the three property rule, so I now move into the fourth property and beyond, then I've got the 200% rule. And the 200% rule says I can identify as many properties as I want, so long as their cumulative value is not more than 200% the value of the relinquished property. So in that example, if I sold the relinquished property for $1 million, I can identify 10 properties, 11 properties, 12 properties. So long as when you add those values up together, they are less than $2 million. Okay. Now, this is only for purposes of what properties you can identify and what you cannot in those particular rules. Please understand there's other rules that come into play, not so much in this, but in, have we properly identified things? Have we not, have we failed to identify things? There's and or language. I want to buy this property and this property and this property, or I want to buy this property or this property or this property, or a combination of them. So that is other implications that I'm not going to talk about right here, but in simplistic matters, these are the two rules, the three property rule and the 200% rule. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope this sheds some light on kind of a confusing topic. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to contact us, Dow Houston Exchange Company.